Hi, welcome to MobiWork. In this video, we'll show you how to use MobiWork customer tags to create targeted email campaigns in Mailchimp. First, ensure your customers have the desired tags. To add a tag to a customer profile, simply select a customer. On the customer profile, go to the tag panel. You can select a single tag or choose multiple tags. Once the tags are added to the customer profile, you're ready to sync them to Mailchimp. From your Mailchimp account, launch Mailchimp's draft email campaign page. To access the list of tagged customers to receive your email, click the Edit Recipients button under the To field. Then, from the Send to drop-down, select the desired tag. To exclude certain recipients, select the appropriate tag from the Do Not Send to list. Once you've finalized your selections, click Save. When you are ready to send the email, click Send Test. Thank you for watching. Please check out our website for more content and additional tips.